Hi. So in this video, we're going to go through generating an llms.txt for your website. So if you don't know what is llms.txt, here's an example. So this is essentially a sitemap for your AI agent to actually know about the whole context of your website, of your brand, and what are you exactly doing. So let's take this as an example. Langfuse, shout out to the guys who created Langfuse. They're an open source LLM engineering platform that basically help to debug and help for observability of AI agents. And this is an example of how it should look like. So obviously it's in Markdown because that's what LLMs are good at parsing and understanding. And this is the documentation. So there at the start there should be multiple links to your core pages that you have. For example, they have a link to their tags, to their sampling, to different core and essential concepts of Langfuse. And then there are some optional links for advanced users. So this is just links. And it's always like a good practice to have like a description at the start and then the docs and then bunch of multiple links that the AI agents can see the links and then go through the links based on the query that you would give in your own AI agent. So in this video, we have created a generator that gets a website, a sitemap URL, and from that it will generate the llms.txt for you. So here I have sitemap.xml of FlowHunt, and it has generated the llms.txt for me. So if you want to see how it looks, it's like this. So it gives like a brief description of what is FlowHunt, core links, and as well as get started, guides, and a bunch of multiple links for the AI agent to find out about our integrations and so on. So you can also try it right now in FlowHunt. If you go to flowhunt.io and click on AI tools, in the AI tools you would be able to find out the llms.txt, or also you can try it in our Flow library. So in this video, I'm going to go through how we created this and how you can also create this and customize this AI agent for your own needs to generate llms.txt. So basically what happens in here is that the chat input, you would give a URL. If you go through URL retriever, the URL retriever sees the full XML of your sitemap, and there's an AI agent that actually connects to the URL retriever, so it fetches that sitemap and then generates the llms.txt for you. And this is the goal of the llms.txt. So we have done some few-shot learning for the AI agent to understand how should the llms.txt be structured. We have given it as an example this Langfuse llms.txt, and it came up with this result. So if you also want to try this, feel free to sign in at FlowHunt, and in the Flow libraries, if you just search in llms.txt, you would be able to generate your own llms.txt by giving it your sitemap.xml.